Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII Let us look at the global cues. The Asian markets were good, European markets are higher, US futures are higher, and usually the markets go to FOMC meeting with some kind of a optimism. And yesterday also in the video I said the Fed has never disappointed. But on one side, usually the last 2 weeks of September are weaker one, but the S&P 500 is already down by about 4%. And historically, it's about 0.5% fall only in the month of September. So that means even if US markets move higher by 3%, and still people will say historically 0.5% down and this time also 0.5% down. So markets are going to Fed meeting with some kind of optimism, and sometimes consensus is dangerous in stock market. So who knows, Fed may announce some stiffer announcements like tapering too fast and too much, and that can trigger a sell-off in the worldwide stock markets. But the chances of that happening is very low. As I said yesterday, usually the Fed is always go along with the market and they always try to put things in a nice way. So in all possibilities, I am expecting a good rally in US markets today. And in fact, you all know that I am an option seller. In fact, today I bought some options just to take a chance that if Fed meeting is good and if US market rally, and tomorrow if a market gap up, I can just sell those options. I can make some money. Honestly, I tell you, I do buy options very rarely, and today is one such day. Coming back to our local cues, since morning the Bank Nifty has been very weak. But outside Bank Nifty, everything was looking good. Reliance was up, Bajaj Finance was up. Of course, at the end of the day, it is down slightly. And metal stocks are up, IT stocks are up. And it was the banking, and I really don't know. The Nifty in the month of September alone, it is up nearly 1000 points, 900,000 points. The Bank Nifty is also up by about 1000 to 1500 points. But look at the HDFC Bank, it is actually fallen 20 rupees in the month of September. August series, if I am not wrong, it closed somewhere around 1560. Now it is trading around 1540, 20 rupees lower. But HDFC Bank 20 rupees lower, it's a big thing for Bank Nifty. When was the last time we have seen HDFC Bank, HDFC and ICICI Bank, and these three stocks in the bottom 5? And today, out of the top 5 losers, these 3 stocks are there. So today the markets were dragged by banking stocks, and whereas the Reliance has supported the market very nicely. Throughout the day, the India VIX was higher, but towards the end of the day, so it has started going down slightly. So going forward, so I am expecting the VIX to go further down, but it is only going down by looking at the December options. And today the Nifty is down, but I think December 19,000 call option, I think it was up. So I am not very sure. Let me better check once again. So the option prices shot up in the month of December, and they look here. Yeah. Today, the Nifty is down by 15 points, But the 19,000 call option has shot up by 11 rupees. 19,500 call option, it was up 7 rupees. Right? Even 20,000 call option is trading around 62 rupees. I don't know who are those people buying. So I'm surely looking to sell tomorrow the 20,000 call option. I don't think that Nifty is going to go to 20,000 by end of December. So though VIX is down slightly, the option prices in December is actually increasing. And not only on the upside, even the downside also it is increasing. So I really don't know how these people calculate the VIX. Right? They say it is calculated based on the option premiums, but it is being calculated based on the 1 month option premiums. But 3 months, 4 months option prices are different. So some good news. One is that Fed is likely to announce the tapering, but they will put it in some sweet words. So I don't think that anything can be bad. That's one thing. Second thing, yesterday I talked about US debt ceiling, and that bill has been passed in the House, but no wonder, because in House Democrats have the majority. So we have to see the drama only when it comes to Senate. And the third thing is that the whole world market felt jittery because of this Evergrande, right? And today there was some news report that says that Evergrande has agreed to settle the payment on domestic bond issues. Also, it seems that the China Central Bank has infused a lot of liquidity to make sure that this doesn't go very bad. So though Evergrande is in problem, but they are holding a lot of land parcels, whereas Lehman Brothers, they had only the financial assets. So that's a basic difference between Lehman Brothers and Evergrande. So Evergrande is not going to be another Lehman Brothers. So these are all some positive news. And just now I'm checking the SGX Nifty, which is slightly higher, say by about 20 points. But anyway, that is not insignificant. And FII data is still not out. So at 11:30, FOMC will be announcing the interest rate, but that is likely to stay the same. And 12 midnight, I'm talking about Indian time, 12 midnight is when the Fed chairman will be speaking to the press. That is when we will be getting the clue. So I really do not know whether US traders will be watching the Fed more or not, but definitely Indian traders, they keep alarm at midnight. They will wake up and will want to watch what Fed chairman is speaking. So tonight is going to be Shivaratri, so you can't sleep. So that's it now. So one more very, very important announcement. I used to take workshops in person and arranging workshop in some hotels in important cities. And then the feedback came, sir, we are not from Mumbai or Chennai or Bangalore. We are in faraway places, in foreign countries. So please conduct online workshop. When this coronavirus came, so there was no alternative. So I had to conduct the workshop through online only. But now the corona issue is settled. So I'm planning to launch a workshop in person. So many people want to see me in person, want to interact with me, and want to learn from me directly. So this is an opportunity for you. So the link is given in the description. There's a Google form. You just click the Google form, just enter the data like your name, mobile number, mail ID, from which city. So our office will get back to you. So we are yet to decide the dates and venue and everything. So based on the response, we will be arranging it, and our office will get back to you. So we are adding some fresh contents, right? So fresh experience. So the stock market, The learning never stops. So every day I keep learning something new, and every day I keep sharing the new things. So people who want to see Mr. Sundar in person and want to learn directly from Mr. Sundar in person, so you can sign up. Otherwise, the online workshop will continue as it is. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.